I'm Tracy Tenner with Better Behavior Dog Training at Extra Care Animal Hospital in Davie, Florida. I'm at the Tri-County Humane Society in Boca Raton, Florida, where I have volunteered as a trainer and a behaviorist. We're here today to help you learn how to pick the perfect pet for you and your family. So if you're ready, let's get started. Now that we're here at the Humane Society, it's time to walk into the back and check out the dogs. This is always the fun part, the exciting part, and also the scary part. Take a notepad with you. Walk through and look at every single dog. Take your time. There's no rush. There are going to be many, many prospects to choose from. Your job at this point is to initially see the dogs that attract you. Which dogs are aesthetically pleasing to you? That's not going to be the whole answer by any means, but certainly it's going to be important that you like the dog that you choose and the appearance of the dog that you choose. While walking through the shelter, you're going to be seeing dogs of many sizes, many ages, many hair coats. The ones that appeal to you, mark them down, make a little note of who they are and where they are, and then move on to the next cage. Every cage you go to will have something new to offer and something different. One may be aggressive, one may be shy, one may seem to be perfect and turn out not to be at all. So it's important to make your initial impressions count. See which ones you like right off the bat. Then we can always go back and check each of these dogs individually to figure out which, if any, might be the right dog for you and your family. If you'd like to learn more about adopting a pet from the Tri-County Humane Society, please visit their website at tricountyhumane.org or contact me, Tracy Tenner, with Better Behavior Dog Training at Extra Care Animal Hospital in Davie, Florida. Our website is extracareanimalhospital.net.